headspace. Been weaker, it's been waiting for the right day. Like the right day ever comes, now it's Friday. And nothing's changed. Mistakes that everyone is making, but I can't change. I'm stuck in reverse like an old.
You guys, if you want to stay in Saskatoon, you definitely need a car. That's the first thing that I'm going to say. You need a car. So I wanted to cook okra, and the sobe is next to me, like close to my house. So I thought they were going to have okra, but I went there, unfortunately they didn't, and they don't have mackerel either. And I wanted to use mackerel to make the okra. So I was like, oh, okay, let me go to the next superstore is not so far. But then when I was checking the box, I now found like an Asian store close by on 8th Street. So I went to I got this from Superstore, by the way, and yogurt. So this is just like a brief grocery haul. I don't know if this thing is fair enough. I got an onion, I got pepper, I got mackerel, which is what I really wanted. I got 2 of those. And to the most exciting one of all, I don't know if you guys can see this thing clearly. In my language, we call this thing mbedeyebiyeb. So it's a fungus, it's like mushroom, but it's black and it grows on dead wood. I was so excited. And there's 2 Asian stores. There's the Great Asian Market and there's another one just opposite it. So they both had it. So I got this one and I cannot wait to try it. I'm going to put it in my okra. So I got that, got the okra, and got shrimp as well. I'm not going to use all of the shrimps, but I just got it just in case. And then I bought these sieves for when I want to make juice, because I haven't got my juicer yet. When I want to make my juice and I need to sieve it. So that's what this is for. And this fungus was where is it? This fungus was $3.99. My mother is not going to believe that I bought the ABF for almost 4,000 or more than 4,000 naira. But anyway, it is what it is. I've not had any food today, and this is like almost 7 p.m. So I need to cook and eat. Maybe I should I'll start by taking one of this, like having a snack first, and then I would continue. But the problem now is that if I eat that, I will not be able to eat the food that I'm cooking again. Anyway, so these are all the things that I bought. See you soon.
Forgot to tap